We need to establish boundaries when we feel that somebody is not good to us, when we have an uncomfortable feeling that, oh, this person is not good for me, or this person is trying to take advantage of me. We need to know where to put a stop. If somebody comes to your house and is always asking you for money, and when you need them, they never show up, it's not somebody who wants good for you. So you need to understand that at some point, some boundaries need to exist. You are the only person who can take care of yourself, who can stand up for yourself. If you don't do that, people will always walk all over you, because not everybody has the integrity to think about the other person's good, to think about what the other person need, if the other person feels okay. Some people are here just to take, and they don't care about the rest. And there are many. So if you are always there, to be walked all over, or to always give your money, or to always be the person that we call when we need a service, or whatever. You need help, somebody needs help with anything, and they know they can call you because you always say yes. That's not a good thing.